Hello everyone, welcome to the programming in C class. In the learning of series of C programming videos, we have discussed in the previous video, that is structure and how to access the elements of a structure, how to access members of a structure, and how we can pass the a structure elements as in a parameters in a function, and array of structures we have discussed. In this video we will discuss about a union. You are wondering, right? So these are the two important concepts for like regarding a memory location also you can consider. So these are the important concepts for a C programming with respect to the memory location also. Let us see with the what is an union. Okay, what is union and how do we work with the union. In this video we are discussing with the union and its declaration part. Defining a union. How can we define a union? Right, it is similar like a structure. Definition, everything is similar like a structure. Where do we use a keyword struct, right? So in this we use a keyword union. Structurally ನಾವು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ, and members of the union, members of the structures were similarly declared, and then variable of the union or variable of the structure are similarly different. Then what is the difference between both? hang ee thara idmele, so then what might be the difference, right? So you might have got the question. ಏನು difference andre, just I'll show you one memory location part itself, right? This is what a structure memory location, this is what a union memory location. Okay, for example we have a structure student, same for union also, for structure also same, we have a student as a structure. Then let us make a sum of the blocks, right? It means each block is of 1 byte of memory. Let us consider in that way, each block is of 1 byte of memory. Okay, so this is the case. This is what I am using structure, this is what I am using union. What happens if student I am using like name, right? So name we are using and roll number. These are the two members we are using. The name is kind of type of character, right? So name is a type of character and roll number is type of integer. Okay, so it is of a integer, we will take it. Okay, the percentage. Then what is the size were occupied in the memory? Okay, according to my system configuration, int takes of 4 bytes of memory, char takes of 1 byte of memory. Each byte I consider here as an particularly 1 byte. Then for char, this is for character, right, %c, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. This space is for, right, this space is for I am using for a integer. Okay, so this is how in a structure memory will be allocated. But in a union, what it does, it considers the biggest member size. The member size list of members will be there. Among that, the which member is having the highest size, it selects that and it allocates only that much. Okay, it allocates 4 only, and among that one memory is what we are using for a character. This is what, how much memory is utilized in the union, only 4. But how much memory it utilized in a structure, 5 bytes, right? Here it is a 4 bytes and here it is a 5 bytes. This is what the only difference between the structure and a member. whereas each member uses the different memory. That's why if you do any changes of one member, it cannot affect on the other member in a structure. Whereas in a C, they are shareable, they are sharing the memory. That's why if you change any one of the members, then it will affect on the second member. Okay, so hope you understood. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಬದಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. To define a union, you must use union as a statement in the same way as you did while doing a structure. Structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ರೈಟ್, STRUCT, ರೈಟ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ದ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ. ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. The format of the union statement as follows. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ is nothing but user defined. Then member definition, like list of members you are using, member definitions. Then variables, one or more variables can be declared. As similar in the structure, you should use a semicolon also. The union tag is optional and each member defines a normal variable definitions such as int I, float f, like this. Okay, any other valid variable definitions. Okay, then memory occupied by the union. Memory ಯಾವ ಥರ occupied ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So as I said in the previously also, the memory occupied by union will be large enough to hold the largest member of the union. Remember, it's considering the largest member of the union. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೆಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, int I, float f, char str of 20. Okay, then how to find the size of the memory? Size of memory can be find out with the help of size of. Okay, size of. So we are using data as a particularly union, right? So then here we declared a int I, float f and char 20. Okay, so then we are having int main union data, and this is what the variable we are declaring as a small data through which we can access, right, size of memory. Then return 0. Here what it displays? The 20 bytes of memory space, because this is the maximum space which we can be occupied by the character. See how much space it takes. Int I is of 4 bytes, float f is of 8 bytes, right, and then char is of 1 byte into 20. Char is of 1 byte into 20 bytes. Then what will be the maximum size? This is 4, this is 8, this is 20. In case of structure ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, all together 20, 28 and 32 will be the size of the structure. Whereas union ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the maximum size ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so that it is occupying, that is what a 20 bytes of a memory space, because this is the maximum space which can be occupied by the character string. And the example displays the total memory size occupied by the above union. Okay, here what we are using a program which displays that memory size occupied by the data is 20. It displays as a result as a 20. Okay, when the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following, that is memory size occupied by the 20. This is what the output, because size of function retrieves the result as a size of the data. Then size of the data is data. What are the data we are using? Datas are these, because the variable we are declaring for the union called capital data. Okay, capital data is this. For that we are declaring a variable. So from that we can access the size. Hope you understood. Suppose in case of structure agidre, it is of 32 bytes. Okay, Accessing the union members. To access any member of a union, we use the member access operators as similar in a ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಥರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಾಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೋಡೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಶ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ನೇಮು ಮತ್ತು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸೊ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಾಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೀವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ that we are using. Here is one example, like include string.h we are using, and then union we are using like union name of the union is a data, and then variables are these, and then main function we are using. The values we assigned to the I is an integer, and then f is a float, right? Values were assigned for this. Then data structure string copy, that is a string str, data.str. str is a this variable, and C programming. Then printf. So what is data.I, what is data.f, what is the data.str? So it is going to be having this result. Why? Because why this like? Yes, why? Because in the sense these are shareable memory. Okay, these are having a shareable memory, so that's why they result in this kind. Okay, the result in a this kind. Okay. Hope you understood what is a union and why do you use a union and what was the difference with the union. Thank you. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.